Welcome everyone, I am back. Today is July the 29th, 2022. We are going to talk about Bitcoin real quick to see if a breakout is coming. You guys can see that over the last couple of trading days, Bitcoin has been in a very slight uptrend. Are we about to see a massive move to the upside? Welcome, this is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I conduct price predictions off of the price chart so that everyone can see how you can do this for yourself. It's not hard. It's not complicated, neither is it complex. You don't have to go through and dig deep into some research and read articles and more articles and more articles, or even plot technical indicators on your chart. All you have to do is pay attention to what everyone else is doing. The price bars and the volume is how everyone is trying to move in sync. You always have an imbalance between the buyers and the sellers. And at some time the scales is tipped to the favor of the buyer, and at times the scales is tipped to the sellers. So if you guys want to join me, welcome. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. I am not here to give you no FUD, no fear, no FOMO. I simply come through and see what's going on in the markets. I give you all the news according to the charts, literally. So let's talk about this real quick. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe, tap that bell notification as well, if you guys want to stay in tune with the information that I am producing here on this platform. So it was July the 20th was the last video that was conducted for Bitcoin. You guys can already see it, right? You guys can see in front of you my expectations as to what Bitcoin is going to do. And you guys can, I mean, from out the gate, you guys can see that price did go down, but it didn't go all the way down to our support area. So we're still in favor to see Bitcoin go up. Now, you guys can see right here, I want us to see this area right here in Bitcoin. Okay, because this is where the gap could occur, or the massive upward move could occur in Bitcoin. Because you guys can see outside of this area right here to where price got rejected in Bitcoin, we can actually see Bitcoin break out from this area and move up to fill this, I would say like $26,500 to $27,000 price. So the market in Bitcoin got rejected right here around 24,300. The next move could be a bigger move up here to 26,700. Okay, this is the point of this video right here, is to see whether or not that's going to occur, because the last 2 days right here in Bitcoin, the market has given us some very good indications of the price or the buyers wanting to move market up. Okay, the volume is there, the spread of these price bars is there. The only problem is us seeing price get rejected around $24,000. That's it. Outside of that, the market in Bitcoin would break and come up here to $25,500, $27,000. Are you ready to see that occur? Because by us not seeing price break below $20,000 on this recent move to the downside, we all can understand that yes, the buyers are still in control of the market right now. Look at Bitcoin here on the 2-day chart. Okay, real quick, look at Bitcoin on the 3-day. We got 12 hours and 40 minutes left, and currently this looks pretty good. This 3-day price bar is erasing all of the work that Bitcoin sellers, all of the work that they tried to do, the sellers, in pushing the price in Bitcoin down. It's gone in 3-day price bar. So the market in Bitcoin is still pretty bullish. It's still amped to try to go up in price. Is what I'm trying to get you all to see. Now we got 12 hours and 40 minutes left, so anything could change. But if we were to take a snapshot right now, that looks real good. This current 3-day price bar, for us to say that yes, we are still sitting pretty for the market in Bitcoin to go up. Okay. This is Bitcoin right here on the 5-day time frame. Give you all another quick look. This is what we got, 12 hours and 39 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar. We're still getting the same type of indications that the buyers want to move the market up. They have bought all of the selling that occurred in Bitcoin over the last 5 days, because the market currently is closing at the high of the bar. The volume is decent as well. I want you all to see this. Okay, right here. Look at this 5-day price bar. Okay, I want you all to look at that 5-day price bar with the volume to this current 5-day price bar and the volume. So what happened on this 5-day price bar? Were the buyers here into the market in Bitcoin? Yes, I would say they were. The volume was decent because on this current 5-day price bar, the market in Bitcoin tried to break $22,000 to the downside, but it didn't do it. It wasn't successful. The sellers was not successful in keeping the price down in Bitcoin because the market currently is closing up here at the high of the 5-day price bar. That tells me that the market is still wanting to go up. So the market here in Bitcoin is still pretty bullish, right? Even right here on the weekly time frame, I'm really not being too reliant upon the weekly time frame right now because the market currently has 2 days and 13 hours left before it's complete, but it's good. So I'm still looking for Bitcoin to go up. Okay, still looking for it to go up. So this is not going to be a long video. Just wanted to come in and show you all my expectations. Where has anything changed into the market in Bitcoin? It hasn't. I still suspect that the buyers are in control and that they're going to try to continue to push the market up higher in Bitcoin. Looking at this on the monthly time frame, I want us to look at this low that came in on the month of May, right? It was around 25,400. Be careful because the market can literally get rejected there and begin this descension back down to Bitcoin because the overall downtrend is still intact. So let's not get it twisted. We are not massively bullish in Bitcoin. We are still in a downtrend. So the market may actually pop up towards this descending line and get rejected and come back down. What we want to see though is for the buyers to actually take out that downtrend line and the market in Bitcoin continue to move up. That is what we want to see. We don't want to see this though. We don't want to see that because the market in Bitcoin will continue to go down. That's terrible for the buyers. All right. So currently I still suspect that the market is trying to inch up here, and then we'll have to come back in and do another evaluation to see whether or not the buyers really want to move market up or if they don't. Because if they don't, we know that price is going to come back down. So there's nothing for us to be scared about. There's nothing for us to be fearful of because we already have a plan. We already have an expectation as to what to happen as we approach these price levels. It's not hard. It's not simple. That's why I'm here. It's to show you all a simplistic way of seeing how the market really works. Your stochastics, the MACDs, the RSIs cannot tell you what to prepare for. They're called lagging indicators for a reason because it only gives you information that happened in the past. It cannot give you forward information. It cannot give you a forecast. It cannot give you a prediction. That is something that you and I both have to do. And we do that here on this channel by looking at the price bars and volume. That's it. All right. So give me your idea about Bitcoin though. Are we going to continue to go up? Are we going to hit this descending line and come back down? Or do you think the market's going to break outside of this descending line to the upside as we approach the month of August? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.